we'll make the cilantro chutney. Now we'll start the curry sauce. This spoon that you see here is the size of spoon I'll be using to measure. It's important to find the creamiest coconut milk possible. This one isn't as thick as I'd like it to be, but it'll have to do. Start by adding just 1 tablespoon of sugar and taste it. Add another one if you think that you need another one. And keep in mind that the carrots and the peppers will sweeten it up a little bit as it simmers in the sauce. Also, it's important to not get too carried away with the soy sauce. When you spice the chicken, you can get pretty carried away. I like to get a good covering over them, equal amounts of all of the different spices that I mentioned there. gotta admit, I'm pretty excited about eating these nachos. It's been 8 years since I've had a Blue Bison curry nacho, so thanks, Jeremiah. Yep. Tastes just like it's supposed to. Delicious. Best curry nachos ever. Alright, Jeremiah. I hope you can recreate this for yourself using this video, because I lost all of my, I didn't lose them. Actually, I gave away all of the Blue Bison recipes when I moved to Mexico to one of my favorite employees. So actually I don't have any of the actual recipes, so I just had to recreate this the best I could. Did a good job, so cheers. These curry nachos are so unique and beautiful and delicious. You can do it.